My dad once told me when I said I trust God, he asked me if I only trust or I have faith in God. It did hit me hard. As I pondered my thoughts, people in this world may trust you, but only a few will have faith in you. Honestly, trust and faith are used interchangeably, but there is a significant difference between the two. And I am trying to make you understand the difference between trust and faith through a story of a circus. There was a funambulist. Funambulists are those people who walk on a tightrope in a circus. He claimed that he would walk on a tightrope blindfolded. All the spectators were surprised at how he will walk on a rope blindfolded. They were amused to see him successfully walk the length of the rope. Next, he claimed that he would walk across the rope, of course blindfolded, with a chair on his head. People insanely applauded at his talent. They were mind blown to see him. They hooted. They stood on their seat to cheer him up. He did succeed. Do you know what he did next? He asked them that if they trusted him that he would successfully complete the next challenge, because already he has successfully completed two challenges. So all the spectators told that yes, you will definitely complete the third challenge as well. They all agreed. He asked if someone from the audience would like to volunteer by sitting on the chair over his head while he walked across the rope. There was pin drop silence. No more applause. No more hootings. Why? Because they trusted him. They didn't have faith in him. Get it? Faith is when you know and believe that no matter how bad the situation is or how worse it gets, you will succeed because He will protect you. Faith is keeping you eyes on God when the world around you is falling apart.